Is medicine your morning routine? What if we told you the food you eat could change everything? Yes, you heard that right. Food. Welcome to LiveAltlife, where we use the power of food to heal. Freshly cooked, therapeutic meals crafted to tackle metabolic health issues, delivered right to your door. Our meals target the root cause. With 100+ rules applied to healthy, curated ingredients, bringing you the best of global and Indian cuisines. Helping you restore balance to your health by improving key metabolic processes. Backed by Diagnose AI, we design a personalized plan just for you. With LiveAltlife, you are never alone. Our dedicated health coaches keep you motivated and on track. Join thousands who have made food their medicine. Transform your life today.